Welcome back to the Financial Independence Network channel where we discuss all things finance. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss our future videos. Let's dive in. Oh, the Fed, always trying to figure out the right path for the economy. It's like they're playing an eternal game of economic twister, trying not to land on a red spot that screams recession. Some economists are all about tightening interest rates. They believe it's the solution to combat inflation, which has been running wild like a herd of stampeding bulls. But hold your horses, because others are waving the caution flag, warning that this tightening frenzy could send us straight into recession land faster than a Formula One car. Chairman Jerome Powell has certainly had his share of ups and downs. In 2019, he tightened the rates prematurely, only to slam on the brakes and reverse course. Oops, a little miscalculation there, folks. Then came the pandemic, and our brave chairman pumped trillions of dollars into the economy, sending inflation soaring like a runaway hot air balloon. Who knew a balloon could get so inflated? Now the Fed is on a rate-raising spree faster than a kid unwrapping presents on Christmas morning. But hold your horses. The CPI and Producer Price Index are waving their hands, begging for attention, signaling a downward trend. Yet the Fed seems determined to keep raising those rates. The economists' predictions are about as reliable as a weather forecast in April. They huddle together like a group of fortune tellers, agreeing that the July meeting will see a 25 basis point increase. Others are just shrugging their shoulders, wondering if it's going to be the last hike. The range might hit 5.25% to 5.5%. Inflation is unpredictable. One moment it's high, causing panic in the streets, and the next it's slowing down like it's trying to pull off a magic trick. But no worries, we've got Fed officials signaling their intentions, which is sort of like getting cryptic messages from fortune tellers. Oh, and let's not forget the dot plot projections. Fed members draw lines like preschoolers with crayons, guessing where rates will peak. The audience gasps as economists disagree with the Fed's artistic vision. It's like watching an epic battle of art critics debating if the Mona Lisa is smiling or not. But wait, there's more. The weakening dollar is causing quite a ruckus. It's like the dollar's going on a diet, shedding pounds against major currencies. That's great news if you're importing, but not so great if you're trying to keep those price pressures from skyrocketing. The labor market is another act in this grand spectacle. Unemployment rates are nudging up slightly to 4.0%. But don't worry, folks, it's all part of the show. And finally, the grand finale. Economists predict the economy will grow at a rate of 1.5% this year, then slow down to 0.7% next year. But there's still the threatening presence of a recession. It looms like a dark cloud over the audience, but our brave economists are divided, trying to pinpoint its exact arrival time. Will it be next year? The suspense is electrifying. So buckle up, folks, because the Fed's on the case, trying to figure out the best way forward. As we conclude this heart-pounding video, we must applaud the Fed for navigating this economic circus. It's a balancing act like no other, juggling inflation, unemployment, and economic growth. Will they manage to find the perfect balance and lead us to prosperity? Only time will tell. And until then, let's just enjoy the roller coaster ride that is the Fed's rate hike dilemma. Thanks for watching.